Do you want to give your small business a professional look with minimal effort? Well, here I am with my FlexClip review and 3 quick FlexClip hacks to make your business look like a big brand without spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on branding. Hi you guys, this is Anmol Mehman, an AI product analyst at allaboutai.com, and without a single second wasted, let's get started. But if you want to see more of my product reviews, quickly just tap on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, so my first hack is to use AI generated videos. FlexClip's AI tools can take your script or concept and turn it into a professional looking video with ease. It's like having a creative team on demand. So let me just go ahead and insert my prompt here. You can choose a style for your subtitles. I'm just going to go ahead with a translucent subtitle style, and let's see what it has to generate. Once there are the clips and the video is ready, all you have to do is, if you want to change any of the media, you can do that. I'll just real quick think that this isn't something that I want. It's a house and some people outside, so I'll just go ahead and replace it with affordable dress and see if I could get a picture or a video. Yeah, there you have it. I'm just going to replace it. Alright, likewise, if you want to have any changes or anything replaced, or you want to have a scene added, I don't want anything here right now, but you can just put it here. For now I'm just going to delete it, and that's it. Once it's done, you go ahead, add to your timeline, add after the existing scenes. Of course, we're going to process it. So there you have it. Your video is ready. You can go ahead and check if you want to change anything else in this. If you want to, adjust sound, if you want to replace any more media, or if you want to put on any effects on these, you can just go ahead and reverse the videos, freeze the frame, and there's much more to the game. But right now, we're just going to be sticking to the simple plain video making thing. I'm just going to run it through so that you know how creative the tool is.
Dreaming of the perfect wedding gown? Celebrate your love without breaking the bank. Explore our stunning range of budget-friendly gowns. Every bride deserves to feel like a fairy tale princess. Customization options for a truly unique fit. From classic elegance to modern styles, we've got it all.
So this is it. That's how you can just go ahead and then export, and you have your video ready. All you need to do is just put it on your social media and you're good to go. Hack number 2 is to leverage high quality templates with branded text animation. FlexClip offers a variety of business focused templates that look professionally designed right out of the box for your brand. Here I am continuing with the clothing brand again and picking up my favorites, one of my favorites actually. So I want to talk about sale and how much discount my customers are going to get. So I'm just going to go ahead. If you want to preview, you can go ahead and preview the template. Otherwise, just go ahead and customize it. I'll come here, and all you need to do, if you want to change your color according to your business, you can do that. I want it a little subtle, so most probably I'm just going to go with the color that's already picked, or something on the lighter tones. But if you want, you can just go ahead and choose whatever color you want. Alright, moving ahead, what you need to do is that replace the media which is present here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upload the files which I want to post. So these are 5 of the files that I want to post. So my first image is this. I'm going to take it, put it here, and there you have it. You just put your text here. Alright, the video is ready. Please do note that you can always just customize the text. You can always go ahead and change the color of the text and animate it to the point where, or let's say I'm just going to put up an animation on this come on thing. So it's a moving animation, there's going to be a ton of it that you can use. Right now, all I've done is just, change pictures. I would just say one thing: templates are great way of saving your time, and adding animated text gives it that professional final touch. It's the easiest way to just reinforce your brand and make your message pop up like your key message. In this situation, the way forward is the discount on the brand, and we rightly so have done it. Once it's rendered, I'm going to show you the final video as well. Finally, hack number 3: add background music and voiceovers. A good audio makes your video feel polished and engaging, just like the big brands do. So, for my video, the video we were editing right now, we're just going to come up here, and I want something more dramatic, something more, like that could engage my audience right away for the message that I'm trying to convey. I'm going to come up here and see if we could try listening. I simply love it, so I'm going to come up here, add it to my timeline, cut the previous music, and there we go. We have our new music. The next great thing that you can do is to add your own voiceover. For that, I'm going to come up to media. I'll go back and show you how it's done. You can either upload a file or you can record your own voiceover right in the video, which is amazing. There are a lot of tools, but none of them actually gives you the option to record your voiceover right there. We're going to wait 3 seconds. Don't miss out on the 50% sale and grab your products now. Ta-da! My audio is ready. I'll just let you guys listen to it once. Don't miss out on the 50% sale and grab your products now. We can adjust the volume of the audio so that you can hear the audio or like my voiceover clearly. Don't miss out on the 50% sale and grab your products now. With these 3 hacks, that is AI generated video, custom templates, and the right audio, you'll have everything you need to make your small business look professional and polished. Try these hacks today and see the difference for yourself. Also, the pricing is not that much. You can check out their pricing plans on their website. There's a plus plan, there's a business plan, and there's a free plan. There's a way that you can get some credit for some of the projects that you want to do, and I think that is also very convenient. It's again all up to your convenience and what you really want to do. There's also a little surprise for you, because would you believe that I've actually recorded, created, and edited this whole video, the whole hack thing that you're watching, on FlexClip? Well, I did, and that's why I give this tool a 4.7 out of 5. It's just nearly perfect for me. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody who actually needs to boost up their business. Till then, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in the next video.